Okay guys, welcome to this Procore training about the mobile platform. What I wanted to go over today is one of the most important parts. It's uploading photos. And so Procore makes this really easy to upload photos, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So first, go to the tools, and from here you can actually see the photos that are there. So this is a project in Texas, and you can go ahead and just scan through some of the photos. So some really great tools here are you can zoom in, you can add markups, like pens, save that. You can send the photos to different places via messages or emails, and then you can actually add different locations. So that's how you view the photos, but the question is, how do you upload a new photo? So you can go right here to the camera if you wanted to, or you can go back here to the main screen and just hit this plus up in the corner and say take photo. So from here you can go ahead and do two different options. There's photo and there's quick snap. I am a big fan of quick snap because it allows you to take a ton of pictures at one time. So I can go bam, bam, and take 3, 4 photos, 5 photos here automatically. The other option is to hit the photo button and just go click one at a time. So what's nice about this is you are allowed to then put text boxes and marks on it, and then even add captions. So that is the good part about that, but it's just not as quick. So, and then up here you have the album that it's going to go in. So you would just select which album, unclassified. You might have a ton of albums in there. I'm going to select the construction coordinator visit one, and then you hit done. And so what's going to happen here is they are going to automatically upload, and this is the best part. I never take photos from the Photos tool on your iPhone or your Android. I take them directly from Procore app, so now I don't have to upload anything. Question is, are they uploading? So go ahead here to the settings, and you can go to your upload queue. So if you had any photos that didn't upload, they would be here. The only thing that's bad about Procore is that the app has to be open for them to upload. So it's not going to upload in the background. So if you're at a site which has really poor reception, this is something that you want to be aware of. When you get back home from the work site, plug your phone in, connect it to Wi-Fi, and just leave the app open, even to the upload queue, and then you'll be able to see everything that actually is uploading and making sure that it's uploaded. The second thing I like about this is the photo storage. So I typically, this is selected on, so save photos to camera roll. I don't like that because, as we all know, your phone doesn't have enough storage, and that's kind of a precious thing, is phone storage. So this way, it basically takes a picture, uploads it automatically, and it doesn't keep a secondary copy. And that's the way that I do it. And so that's pretty much it, guys. That is the basics of uploading a photo. It is so easy, and there's no reason that you can't do it every single day and upload 5, 6, 7, 8 photos a day per project that you guys are working on.
Thanks for watching our video. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can get updated on all our newest videos. Also, go ahead and click the links below so that you can see our social media profiles as well as our website.